Prepare the cable according to the dimensions given in the instructions. Loosen the shear bolts until the thread is protruding from the connector housing. Align the cores to match. Insert the cables as far as they will go. Tighten the shear bolts until they shear off. Position the connector housing centrally over one half of the GelBox. Firmly press into position, ensuring the connector housing is sitting in between the positioning rails. Secure into place at each end with a cable tie. Position the other half of the GelBox centrally over the connector area and clip shut using two hands.